In this simple video, everything you need to know how to replace the cooling fan clutch on Nissan Xterra and save yourself couple $100. Let's dive in. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. You won't miss any new Nissan Xterra videos. Cooling fan clutch bolted to the water pump pulley, and this one has a tons of play, and it was freewheeling, which is dangerous. Engine potentially can overheat, and that will cause different problems. Okay, we need to remove the radiator upper brackets, 10mm socket, very easy, and also pull that air tubing up and put it aside. We don't need that, and undo those shroud screws as well. We need to have that room and another bracket for the radiator on the passenger side. Remove 4 10mm bolts, holding that fan hub clutch to the water pump pulley and pull it out. It's pretty simple, as you can see. Just need to make the extra room to pull it out, and it will come out, not a problem. Okay, now we need to inspect the fan. Make sure there's no missing blades, no cracks, any damages. This one looks good, and yeah, always compare old part to new one. Make sure they're all the same. This is a coil type of thermal clutch. Okay, remove those screws and pull that fan out. Alright, let's do a little bit of cleanup. Never assemble dirty parts. That's not good practice. Every time you do assembly, do cleanup. Okay, apply some blue Loctite to those bolts. Make sure they won't get loose. That's okay. Place the new fan clutch and flip it over, and now you can see those holes are aligned, and it's pretty easy. You know, you can do it, and there's nothing super complicated. Few screws, few nuts, and yeah, started those bolts by hand, and now we're tightening them on cross pattern on diagonal. Yeah, you don't want to over tie them, but I will put all torque specs down in the description, and yeah, that might help you. Alright, I applied some blue Loctite to the studs, and now I'm going to put that assembly back same way as we removed. Push it down. It will be careful with the radiator cells, make sure no pushed against. Align this holes and start it nuts by hand, and now we're going to tie that clutch on the same cross pattern on diagonal. 1 2 3 and 4. It's pretty simple. Okay, tied those nuts, and now I'm wedging with the screwdriver one nut to hold in that hub from pulley from turning, and I'm tightening up. Okay, now I need to put everything back, and as you can see, that's it. It took me 20 minutes, and on the video it's a little bit faster. Check it out. You did. Thank you so much, guys, again for watching. Very appreciated your time. Please go and subscribe, and if you have any questions, critics, comments, put them down. And I have more Xterra videos to watch, and more are coming up. Okay, see you soon, take care, and bye bye now.